Now students, see page number 64, all of you. I am reading our remaining paragraph. In such a situation, Mahatma Gandhi once again decided to call off. To call off means to return, we can say to take back the movement, civil disobedience movement. He wanted to take back. Why? In such a situation, when our leaders now they were arrested, so the people they came on the street and they showed their anger against the British government, whatever we have seen in the earlier previous paragraphs. So because of such a situation, Mahatma Gandhi ji decided to take back the civil disobedience movement and enter into a pact with Erwin. Now, he wanted to enter, means he was ready to sign agreement with Erwin, Viceroy Erwin, on 5 March 1931. By this Gandhi-Erwin pact, Gandhiji consented, underline, means Gandhiji he was ready. He showed his permission. Consented means allow. He allowed to participate, means he was ready to participate. Where? In a round table conference. The Congress had boycotted the first round table conference. Now here we can see in London, means he was ready to go to attend the round table conference in London, and the government agreed. Now government was ready to release the political prisoners because of the Mahatma Gandhi ji was ready to participate as well as to sign with this pact, Gandhi-Erwin pact. Now students, listen carefully. Now in December 1931, now year, you underline the year, Gandhiji went to London for the conference. Now, according to the Gandhi-Erwin Pact, now he went to attend the, we can say, the round table conference in London. But the negotiations broke down. But the whatever he discussed there, so negotiation means discussion, broke down, failed, and he returned disappointed. Now, whatever he wanted to suggest and say to the British government, now that is all his efforts failed. He came back in India. Back in India, he discovered that the government had begun a new cycle of repression. Now, when he returned to India, he saw that now British government started new cycle of repression, new measures for the we can say for torturing and for controlling to the mob. Ghaffar Khan and Jawaharlal Nehru were both in jail. Both of them were arrested and kept into the jail. The Congress had been declared illegal. The Congress party, this one, that was a declared illegal party, illegal. We can say the associations, peoples, by the government, and series of measures had been imposed to prevent meetings. Now, conducting meeting was totally banned. This demonstration and boycotts now control. Now the British government used so many measures to prevent meetings, demonstrations and boycotts, etc. With a great apprehension means here sense. Mahatma Gandhi ji understood that all these situations. After that, Mahatma Gandhi ji restarted the civil disobedience movement. Now he started the civil disobedience movement once again. For over a year, the movement which was continued for a year, 1 year, the movement continued, but by 1934 it lost its momentum. Momentum means speed. Now the effect of the civil disobedience movement, now we can say it lost its speed, and the effect of we cannot see the effect of the civil disobedience after the 1934. Now next paragraph we will see in next clip. Thank you very much.